Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make spicy jalapeno poppers, and it's one of my favorites to make. I love them. So for starters, we need 5 ounces of cream cheese, which I've already measured, and it's best to use Philadelphia cream cheese. Oh, it's so good. I love making these, and then we're just gonna mix it all in with a fork. I really like to make these. For starters, we gotta preheat the oven to 400, and we're gonna do that. Okay, preheated the oven to 400. I love making this. One of my favorites. So, blend that all in. And the next step we need is 1/4 mozzarella cheese. And I have some right here. But what I like to do is put extra cheese because I like it cheesy. Just throwing in extra cheese. Very cheesy. And then we're just gonna mix this all together. So it's New Year's Day. New Year's Eve is so much fun. Me and my best friend Chelsea, we watched the fireworks in downtown. It was so much fun. It was cold, but it was really fun. I enjoyed it. Had a lot of fun. There were 6 of us that went. So, and then at 12 o'clock, we watched the ball drop. Can't believe it's 2020. That's crazy. So we're just gonna mix it all in. See what I'm doing? Just mixing it with the fork to make sure it's extra cheesy. And next thing we need is 8 medium jalapeno peppers. And I already did it off camera because it would have took too long to do. Maybe I'll throw in some extra cheese. So, I love cooking. So, and then we need 1/4 teaspoon of salt. So I'm just going to get my salt. I got these fancy salts. 1/4 teaspoon. See if I have it. Let's see if I have 1/4. There we go. Teaspoon. Then we're just gonna do salt. It's only 1 teaspoon, but I'll just do extra. Some salt. Gotta get some more salt. And half. Just gonna salt, and then I usually mix it in. So good. It's looking so good. And then we need 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. So usually what I do is I just go like this. And then blend it in. So it's really easy to make. It's not that hard. I'm just mixing it in. Can't believe it's 2020. I go back to school in a week because I'm on holidays right now. And I'm looking forward to school. I already got my schedule already, so that's always fun. And then we need a half teaspoon of mustache, which is this mustache. I have and just blend it in. You like to mix. Mixing's always good. Mix, mix, mix. So, I'm so excited that it's 2020. Good things are gonna happen. Good things. I'm hoping. I'm gonna be positive. Gotta think positive and keep an open mind. So, just gonna mix. Make sure it's all blended in. So there's like no chunks. Okay, next step. I'm kind of okay with this step, but is doing the peppers. So I usually take a spoon and just fill each pepper. It's gonna get messy. Your hands are gonna get messy. So there's one. This is what it's supposed to look like. Oh, it's so red. It's really easy to make. It's not that much ingredients. So I like it. My hands are already messy. So I'm gonna leave it like this, and then after I usually put bacon. So make sure it's all mixed. My hands are already like so goopy. This is the fun part. It's just like putting it in here and like spreading it. Yeah, it's really easy to make. I love this. I love making jalapeno poppers. They're my favorite. Like, so. See, it looks messy right now, and then you put the bacon over it and then cook it. Oh. My hands. Big scoop and then pepper. I'm just like smoothing it all out. I'm the only one eating it, so it doesn't really matter. My hands are already. I washed it before I started this, my hands, so yeah. It looks so messy because my hands. That's the fun part. How was everyone's New Year's Eve? I had so much fun. One day I really wanted to go to New York. I already been to New York, but like to actually watch the ball drop. Like in person, that'll be so fun. So going there and like having the experience of it. Hopefully next year, I'm hoping. So I am almost done. And then usually if I have leftovers, I usually go back and fill more of it. Or the peppers. So you just take the spoon and fill it. And then there's other techniques to do it. If you're making for like a lot of people, like instead of using your hands, you could use like a spoon, like a spatula to smooth it out. But it's just me, so I don't really mind. Almost done. That one looks really full. I should fill this one up more. Here we go. I'm on my last one. I'm still waiting for the oven to preheat. It is super messy. And then what I usually do is take like a spatula and just go around the bowl because you have a lot. Oh no. But then you can really fill it. It's like really filled. Okay. I'm just gonna like rinse my hands real quickly and then do the bacon. Just rinse my hands. This is what it looks so far. It's pretty messy. Now we just have to do the bacon, which I'm okay with it doing. Some bacon. Any brand of bacon would work. Oh, there we go. It's preheated, the oven. This, I still need to like do more practice on like wrapping it good, but oh well. I usually take it and then wrap it around, so like this. Just wrap it around. And what I usually do is take toothpicks and then I stick it in the middle so it holds together. And then I'll put it on the parchment paper. So you preheat the oven to 400 and you bake it for 20 to 25 minutes and then you broil for additional 2 to 3 minutes. So it's not that long. I'm just so excited to make these. I'm getting better wrapping as I go, like practice. But just wrap it. And then it's probably 2, yeah. I usually start from the like bigger end and then wrap all the way around. So like look at that, it's so pretty. I have 3 more left to do. falling apart. Oh, this is 2. That's why it's so big. So I hope you enjoyed me cooking. This is actually my favorite thing to cook for appetizers. If I can get it. Is it so pretty? You can see all like the cheese. 2 more. I never used to like spicy stuff. Never. And then, well, 4 years ago, my taste buds changed. So. Wash. So like what I made, and then we're gonna put it in the oven because and then we're gonna put it on for, what was it? 20 to 25 minutes. So I'm gonna put it on for 24 minutes. So I'll be back and keep you updated on that. Oh, it's looking ready. So I just gotta take it out. That's how it's supposed to look at the end. It looks so good. Thank you for watching my cooking video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe, and my Instagram will be down below in the description, all my social medias. Thank you.